Hello and welcome. So I am at Caravan Salon Dusseldorf. I want to show you this, the Bürstner Lyseo Gallery T659G. So as you can see, I'm having to fight my way through hordes of people, and what we do have here is a bit of a noise in the background. I don't know why when there's no one actually here, but anyway, let's have a look inside this. This is going to cost 122,000 euros, 690 by 230 centimeters long, and let's now come inside. But this is the star bit up there. At the back we have a washroom, we've got the shower, we've got lots of space here, magnificently large. Look at that, you can absolutely live off the road. There's plenty of space to carry things in, and fantastic. Also down here we've got, look at this, we've got the garage here as well. Right, it's only 7 meters long, and we've got all this space thanks to the fact that the bed has gone up there. It's a bed which you have to blow up. Anyway, we'll get onto that one here. Kitchen here, wonderful use of space with this. Fantastic. Here, okay, slide out. Oh, it's tough. There we go. This one comes with an oven. It's there you go, Thetford, the oven here. Okay, somebody said to me that's not an oven, that's a grill. Okay, right, well, it's a grill then. And yeah, in fact, maybe you can't get all that much in there. But of course, this is a camper van. So lots and lots of space in here. And under here as well. Sorry, over here. In here. There you go. And dinette, semi-dinette here, but we've got this way up to the top with storage all the way up, and there's your wardrobe. Don't know why you've got a bar that far down, could be a good reason, don't know what it is, but anyway, so now let's come up to the top. I'm going to take my bag off, and now what can I tell you about this? This system is manufactured by a company called X Gloo, which is based in Latvia, sorry. And this is blown up by air, you see? So, air inside, it takes about, I think it's about 3.5 minutes, something like that, to actually blow this up so it goes up pneumatically, and it's the insulation must be, I imagine, pretty good. It does have a drawback in as much as it's got this here and this, although this is, I can feel it's insulated. That's a bit like what a coat would be. I imagine this goes down to pretty low temperatures. Also up here, this here is heated. So you hear the noise? Now this was introduced for the 2023 season, so it's been, I haven't seen any on the road, but I did see one at another trade fair. But when I first saw it, I thought, oh well, is that gonna work? How practical is that? But having now spoken to the manufacturers of the system, I am really quite impressed. Now, Heimer used it in their Vision Venture first, so this is Bürstner's a Heimer company, but to my way of thinking, you know, it will look a bit odd, but we'll have a look at it from the outside again and how odd it actually is. Little minor features here, so you can plug your phones in up nightly. You've got like a bedside table here, and when of course it goes down, it's just like any other vehicle. So if you want to have a quick snooze, then obviously you've got to put it up. And for those of you who want to do stealth camping, well, it's not very stealthy. Having said that, it looks so unusual that maybe people wouldn't recognize what it is. For those who don't know, it's the only one of its type on the market. And this, I think, these steps down, it looks really domestic as well. So this, I think this would suit me, to be honest, even though I'm a bit more conservative in my tastes. This, yeah, lots of space for living. Even with the bed down, you've got lots of headroom. And here, I'll turn the thing around actually. So there you go. Look at it. You've got all this space in here. Great. You got a big fridge as well, with a freezer. Yeah, this appeals to me. I hope the system will still be working in 20 years' time when I'll be able to afford it. It also comes with, you can't see it because there's a carpet down. You could put the carpet down if you wanted to, or maybe you didn't want to. You wouldn't have to. But the benefit of the carpet is giving it a bit warmth and collecting all sorts of dust. But it's got a double floor, and here I'll show you the double floor. There you go. You see, you've got access to storage under the floor as well. And okay, let's see if this is open. Although I did show it earlier. There you go. Access to the quite large garage. Now, 7 meters. There you go. That's how big this is. 65 centimeters long. Height is 110. Now, please don't clap. At least not until I finished. XL door. The Bürstner death lifts are giving these XL doors now, so it makes it easier for people again. Bins in the door. I like a window in the door, so you can see who's there. You can decide if you're going to answer the door or not. Anyway, there. Look from the outside. Yeah, if you park this, you could actually put the name of some kind of delivery company or something up there. So maybe that would. Oh, maybe that's a daft idea. I do have my doubts about putting this net here. I really feel that you're losing some of the benefit of the warmth it would give if you're going to use it. And for ventilation in the summer, of course, you just don't open the roof hatch. Of course, when it's raining, the roof hatch opening is a problem. What if it punctures? Yeah, it can puncture. They tell me that it will. It can be repaired relatively easily. If you puncture it in one place, it will not affect the everywhere. So it's not like a tire, for example. You puncture your tire and then you can't put the air in. It's only one chamber. There's lots of chambers in there. How exactly that works, I can't actually explain to you. Another nice little feature is at this end. Look at that, you've got this extra space up there. So if you're going to be carrying a canoe or something like that, or scaffolding or a giraffe, there's plenty of space there. There you go. This really appeals to me. That's where the gas goes. I really like this type of vehicle. Here, there's another one here. Let's go on. We'll have a quick look on this one as well. So the one we've just seen, 689G, the 649G Lyseo Gallery. And so what's this got? It's got a bed at the back. It's got the washroom here. It's got the bedroom up here. Huge skylight there. And you've got a rear lounge. Can you stand under it? Let's have a look. What's it like? There's me. Oh, I can get in. Move on, push myself up, tiptoes. And I'm still not hitting the bed. Yeah, very good. I don't like these beds usually because they get in the way. That doesn't get in the way. They've got this wonderful idea of space. So, anyway, there you have it. The Lyseo Harmony Line Gallery with this fantastic innovation, in my opinion, built into it. You know, I think this could be a practical van, but otherwise other people might not agree. I think that's daft. That'll never be practical. It mightn't work. It might get sand, and how do you get in? And then the friction. Yeah. There's these things I do appreciate. So I think it's one of these things we have to wait for people to get feedback. And this is one of the benefits of having a site like this. We get feedback, and other people have used it and say, well, that's not really what happens. Because bear in mind, I'm just telling you the theory of it here, and how it works in practice. Maybe something completely different. Anyway, thanks for watching.